In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Analytics with a standard detail report so that you can see exactly which chatbots and AI platforms are sending traffic to your site and what pages on your site those chatbots are sending traffic to. In your Google Analytics account, you're going to have to be an administrator or have the acceptable permissions to be able to do this kind of thing. Over on the left, you're going to go to Reports and then scroll down to Library, and then you're going to choose Generate a New Report. Choose Create Detail Report, and then find the traffic acquisition template. Click this. On the right hand side under dimensions, open this up, select the three dots for session source and hit set as default and hit apply. And then under metrics, go to add metric, and you want to search active users and select that to add it, and then drag it up to the top. I like to put it at the very top so you have active users and sessions. So hit apply at the bottom. Under report filter, choose add filter, select session source. You're going to have to search for it. Session source as the traffic source. And under select match type, choose matches regex. And you're going to copy and paste the regular expression that I provide in the document for this so that you don't have to type this all in. But this is basically listing out all of the different chatbots, LLMs, the websites, Gemini, Bard, Perplexity, Claude, Copilot, and essentially building this filter to make sure that it's pulling in. It's like one big net that's pulling in just the traffic from those sources. Let's hit apply at the very bottom. You're going to see this example report, and you can see ChatGPT, Perplexity. You can see how this is going to be laid out for you. I like to add a little plus button here and then go to page screen, landing page plus query string. That adds the actual URL so that you can see the URL hits there. So at the top, hit save, and then you have to give this a name. So let's just call it AI traffic acquisition. And then we'll go back over here. Now down under admin, we're going to go to data display and then channel groups. You have this default channel group. Select those three dots, hit copy to create new, and we're going to call this default channel group and AI chatbots, and then hit add new channel. We're going to call this AI chatbots. Add conditions. Under add new condition, you're going to select source and then add condition, matches regex, put in the same regular expression there, and then hit save channel at the top. Now before we save this channel group, scroll down to the bottom where you see the AI chatbots channel that you just created, and we want to hit reorder and then drag this up so it's just above referral and hit apply. And then at the very top, hit save group. Now go back to your reports page and go down under library. You're going to see these collections and these reports. So we want to come to this life cycle collection, hit the three dots, hit edit, and then where it says drag reports to create collection, you want to find your AI traffic acquisition report, and you're going to drag this under acquisition, put it at the top so it's easy to find, hit save. Save changes to current collection. Go back. Now, when you go to reports and you go to your acquisition dropdown, you now have this AI traffic acquisition report that you can come into anytime and look at whatever dates that you need to. Treat this however you want that might make sense for you. And if you have multiple AI traffic sources like ChatGPT and Gemini, you could filter this so that if I search for Gemini, then I would only be looking at traffic from Gemini. Or if I only wanted to look at traffic from ChatGPT, I could do that too. Or if I only wanted to, if I wanted to see for this URL only, if I wanted to see how Gemini, ChatGPT, and Perplexity are, kind of competing with each other to send traffic to that page, I could search just for that URL. Additionally, if you choose traffic acquisition, you will see all of the traffic coming to your site. But if you select your session primary channel group here and go to that session default and AI chatbot channel group that we just created, now you'll be able to see all of your traffic sources, including those AI chat bots. You could even make your session default and AI chat bots channel group your default channel group. If you come down to admin and then data display and then come down to channel groups, and see up here at the top, you have the pencil icon for your primary channel group. Select that, select default and AI chatbots, hit save again. And now all of your default data reports that you are looking at whenever you look at your acquisition, engagement, any of this stuff, it's always going to pull session plus AI chatbots.